Alexa, turn on the plug.
Okay.
Hello everyone, Shabik here from Any Online, and today in this video we have come with an unboxing video again, and today we are going to unbox this smart plug by Amazon which works with Alexa. So there was an exclusive offer running on Amazon for especially for the Amazon account holders who have the Echo devices mapped to their Amazon account. This smart plug was available for $399 in the offer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the box, that looks good, and it has the typical Alexa accent colors. That's what I call it. So the price quoted on the box is 1,999, and we got it for, again, as I mentioned earlier, is for rupees 399. So the packaging looks good. Now let's just open the package, and by opening the package, first we are greeted with our plug. The plug looks very minimal, and on the left side we have the button. So whenever you place it in your plug point, you have to press that button to turn it on. And yeah, there is nothing much. It's pretty much it. And we have some paperwork, and the paperwork is basically about how you can use this smart plug and how you can set up your smart plug with your Alexa. So let's keep the box aside and get to our product now. It looks pretty good, and for the price that we have got, it's incredible. So on the front we get the Amazon branding, and the overall design is very minimal and subtle. And without any further talking, let's plug it. So now we have plugged our smart plug to our extension board for demonstration purpose, and now the red light is blinking. That means it's getting paired with Alexa, and when it's ready, the LED indicator light will turn to blue. Our smart plug has been booted up, as well as our Alexa Echo has been. Sorry for that.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Okay, Alexa, stop. So this is what happens. Let's just give you a small demonstration. So I'll plug my phone's charger, and I'll show you my phone screen as well. So let's just first give you a small voice demonstration, then we'll jump to the app. So now let's just plug our phone to the charger. So now we'll connect our phone for charging. As you can see, our phone is not charging right now. And now let's just give you the demonstration. Alexa, turn on the plug.
Okay.
As you can see, the phone has started charging, and let me just give the demonstration once again. Alexa, turn off the plug.
Okay.
So you see the charging has stopped right now. And again, Alexa, turn on the plug.
Okay.
So our phone has started charging. So this is a very handy smart plug. You can use it if you want to do a controlled charging for your mobile phone. And also, this smart plug has the feature of scheduling, etc. So let's just open the app. So for using the smart plug, you need to download the Amazon Alexa app, and we have already downloaded it. And let's just open the app, and in that you can see the option in the devices tab, plug. It's basically, it was named as first plug, but we have renamed it to router plug. Why? Because we are going to use this smart plug with our internet router. So right now what we can do is, other than giving voice commands, we can turn on and off the plug from the mobile app itself. So we are going to give a demonstration. We are going to turn it off. We are going to turn it on. See, your phone is charging right now, and the plug is on as well. So now let's jump into the plugs settings. So in the settings page, you can see the option for setting up a routine in the bottom, as you can see. So you have to tap on that, and after tapping on that, on the right top corner you can see a plus icon. Over there you can go and create a manual routine for your smart plug. You can schedule it. That's it, guys. I mean, I found this smart plug very amazing. And so that's it, guys. So if you found the video helpful, then do smash the like button, and if you're new to our channel, do also press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I hope you to see in my next one. Till then, stay safe.